Hey guys, so I recently just picked up these heavy duty suction cups from iFixit. I actually ordered them from Amazon because they ship a whole lot faster from Amazon than from iFixit. But otherwise, it would have been just as well from either place. But yeah, I purchased these for, so let's just open this. So basically, this is all you get. This is, I think the only thing in the box is the actual suction cups themselves. And these are intended to fix like tablets and computer screens and things like that. So I'm going to be using these to open up this iMac, this old iMac over here. So I'm going to be pulling the screen off of that, and I'm going to try to upgrade the hard drive and whatever else I can inside there, probably clean it out and stuff. So that's specifically what I purchased these for, is basically opening up that iMac in specific. And if I end up opening some other things, great. But yeah, so nice. See, you pull this and it just suctions right on, and then you can pull stuff off and then you can release it. So real nice and everything. Now, a lot of the reviews, some people gave these really bad a lot of people said, oh, they work great, but there was a subsection of people, like a lot of people say, oh, they're terrible, they don't work. And I was curious about that, so I went and checked out some of these reviews, and some of the people who said these didn't work or gave these bad reviews, these people were not trying to use these for electronics. People were using these to pull dents out of their car. So yeah, that is not what these are intended for. Some people just stuck these to their door and like hung keys or coats or something from them, use them for general purposes or whatever. Those were fine, but like a lot of people were trying to pull dents out of their cars. Some people were using them, I think you pull like your hubcaps or something off on a Tesla. Like you need a suction cup to do that, I think. I'm not too familiar with Teslas, but yeah, people use them for cars to pull like hubcaps off, to pull dents out of like the side of their car. And they say, oh no, they're terrible, not enough suction to pull a dent out of the side of your car, they don't work. But these people didn't even read literally the title of the product. It says it's for electronics use. And that's what it's for. It's for opening up electronic devices like the iMac or like an iPad or something like that. That's what it's for. It's not for cars. Anyways, I bought these, and coming up soon, I'm going to be opening up that iMac, not in this video, but I'm going to give it a shot. I'm going to open that up and show you all the upgrades I can do on it, so stay tuned for that. Remember to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you know when we actually do put an update out. If you have any experience with these, leave a comment down below with your experience. And any comments, questions, whatever, leave a comment down below. And of course, if you want to know where you can pick these up too, I already mentioned on Amazon. You can also check the link in the description. I'm going to try to put a link in the description to this specific device that I purchased on Amazon. You can also buy them straight off of iFixit too. Yeah, but I think shipping's going to take a little bit longer. Depends on how big of a hurry you're in. And yeah, I'm not sure if I didn't get far enough in the checkout process to see if iFixit charges for shipping, but Amazon's going to be, depends if you have Amazon Prime or not. So anyway, yeah, so I bought these off Amazon. You can too. Check the link in the description for electronics, not for cars. Anyways, just wanted to share that with you, show you what's in the box and stuff. I'm going to actually be trying to use these in a little bit within the next few days, hopefully, to open up that iMac, time permitting. I have a lot of stuff going on at the same time, but I'm going to try to get that done. And yeah, so anyways, thanks for watching, and we will see you guys on that next video.